By now, you're a Toniebox Pro, but maybe you want to include others in the fun. Simply go to your app, click on your profile icon, and go to Household. You will see that you are a member of your household. To add another member, click the red plus sign and choose the rights you would like to grant your new member. A full member can do everything you can, but we'll get to that later. A Creative Tony member can only access Creative Tonies that you approve for them. Enter their email address. Once added, the new member will receive an email. After accepting the invitation, they can go straight to My Tonies to get started. But if the member doesn't have a Tony account, they'll just need to register first. As a Creative Tony member, they only have access to the selective Creative Tonies, which they can rename, edit, and add content to or delete content from. If you've selected them to be a full member, they can do a lot more. On top of what a Creative Tony member can do, they can also make changes to the Tony boxes in your household, like changing their names or adjusting their maximum volume limit. They can also add or delete members from your household and give Creative Tony members access to Creative Tonies. They can also lock Tonies to your household so they can't be played anywhere else, and even delete Tonies entirely. If you'd like to change their access rights, simply choose the member whose membership rights you'd like to change. And, of course, you can delete members at any time. And one more thing. This button lets you control whether you want to allow Creative Tonies from outside your household to be played on your Toniebox. You can also delete your household entirely. Even a full member won't be allowed to do that. That's it. Enjoy exploring the wonderful world of Tonies with your little listener.